Hi folks, Bill from the Waterfront Depot here. It's May, spring is here, and it's time to come down to Florence and enjoy the weather. It's also time for our annual Salute to Bourbon. This month we have 4 great bourbon cocktails for you to enjoy. So come on down, enjoy the Kentucky Derby on this big screen at one of our local establishments, and then come here and have a nice Derby cocktail. That's our featured cocktail for the month. The Derby features Jim Beam whiskey, sweet vermouth, orange curacao, and fresh squeezed lime juice. So here's how it's made. 1.5 ounces of Jim Beam, our house bourbon, 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce of orange curacao, and 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. As always, shake vigorously. And here we have the Derby cocktail, a wonderful cocktail to enjoy either the Kentucky Derby or roadie days. We'll see you soon.